What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be talking about when will the stock market crash. Now with COVID-19 going around, it's always been obvious that the stock will eventually crash. It's just been a matter of when. Now before we get into this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. Now, if we take a look at history, we can see that stock market crashes happen every 8 to 10 years. Seeing as the last recession was in 2008, which means it has been exactly 12 years since the last recession, which means we are about due for the next recession. But it's not like a recession just occurs every 8 to 10 years exactly. Unfortunately, we can never perfectly predict when the market will crash. An indicator I think is crucial for all investors to know and follow whenever they're trying to predict when the next market crash will be or think about when the next market crash will occur, and that indicator is the unemployment rate. Now if we take a look at the chart right here, we can see that in 2020 the unemployment rate sticks out. We have never seen anything like this before, and if the unemployment rate continues to rise, the economy will inevitably go down. So, question, why? Well, this is because if so many people aren't working compared to the previous years, you can't sustain the same amount of output you had. But on the other hand, the opposite is just as likely, seeing as now things are starting to get back to normal, with the exception of everyone having to wear masks. Businesses, they're reopening, people start going out more, and this will hopefully lower the unemployment rate. Now, this is a large point to look out for. To know if a crash will occur in 2020, 2021, or a lot longer, the other thing to do to know more about the stock market is to look at what the billionaire investors are saying. Now, most of them are saying that the effects of this pandemic will probably be long lasting. But if this is true, then it won't be looking too good for stocks or the economy. Another indicator to look out for would be interest rates. And this is based off something Warren Buffett said. He said you measure everything based off interest rates. Basically, and interest rates were 15% in 1982. They pull down the value of assets. But when interest rates are lower, there is no gravity being put onto the stock market. And this is why the stocks right now is so high and has been going up. This is because there are no interest rates to hold them down. Now, seeing as everything is going back to normal, the government will start to raise the interest rates, and businesses get back all the money they lost during the pandemic. So then there's going to be more gravity onto the stock market, and they will drop very quickly. So from this video, you can try to understand and predict when the next stock market crash will be. Looking at it now, it seems that if it doesn't happen in 2020, it will probably happen in early 2021. But we will get a clearer image of when the crash will happen further down the road. Anyways, guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. That's all for today. See you guys next time.